In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use lines in Canva to enhance your design projects. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Canva, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and easy to follow manner. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your existing Canva account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, now would be a good time to create one. Logging in grants you access to a range of tools and features that will be crucial for our project today. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new canvas. Simply click on the option to create a new design. This will serve as your blank slate where you can bring your creative visions to life. With your canvas ready, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you will find a menu bar filled with a variety of options. Hover over this menu to reveal even more choices. You're going to want to click on the Tools option. This will open up additional possibilities for customizing your design. Now focus on selecting the Lines option in the Tools section. It's an essential feature that allows you to add different types of lines to your project. You can choose from straight lines, curved lines, or elbowed lines depending on the aesthetic you're aiming for. Once you've decided on the type of line that suits your needs best, simply click on it to add it to your canvas. When your chosen line is placed on your canvas, you'll notice a floating toolbar appear on your screen. This toolbar presents further customization possibilities. Here you can adjust the functionality of your line by choosing the line ends. You have the option to select either line end, represented by an arrow facing to the right, or line start, shown with an arrow pointing to the left. This feature is especially handy when creating flowcharts or diagrams. Once you've finalized your line with an arrow of your choice, don't forget that you can switch arrows if you feel like experimenting with different looks. This flexibility can greatly enhance the dynamic elements of your design. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to use lines and arrows effectively in Canva to make your projects more visually appealing. I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to explore and practice these features to become even more comfortable with them. Until next time, happy designing with Canva.